Hey guys, I'm Heidi, and wait a second, this is a baking video. You know what that means. Hello everybody, I am Perdita Strange, and today I am going to be teaching you how to make the most scrumptious, delicious peanut butter chocolate chip cookies you've ever had that are actually good for you. So, let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is preheat our oven to 325 degrees. Next thing we're going to want to do is gather up our ingredients. So first we have our flours. We've got coconut flour, we've got oat flour, brown rice flour, and of course all-purpose wheat flour. The alternate flours, if you can't find them, they should be available at your local bulk barn or health food store. Next we have stevia, brown sugar, milk, vanilla, salt, baking soda, eggs, butter, and of course peanut butter. And then for chocolate chips we have both semi-sweet as well as dark chocolate, which you can use whichever you prefer. I will be using some of each. Alrighty, now let's begin then, shall we? So start by measuring a half cup of butter. Here we are, and we're going to melt that. You can do so either in the microwave or on the stove. Today I will be doing it in the microwave. Just heat it up for about 25 seconds. And here's what it should look like. Just about half melted, perhaps a little bit less. Now in a medium-sized bowl we are going to add our butter, a half cup of stevia, quarter cup of brown sugar, half a cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, which you can also substitute with alt milk if you prefer, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 eggs. And we're just going to mix this all together. Alrighty, once it looks like so, we're ready to move on to the next step. But before we do, make sure to like and subscribe if you're enjoying the video so far. Next, we're going to be adding our flours, baking soda, and of course, salt. For the flours, we are going to be using a half cup of each brown rice flour, oat flour, coconut flour, and all-purpose flour, for a total of 2 cups. We're then going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we mix. And now for my favorite part, the chocolate chips. We're going to add 1/4 cup of semi-sweet and 1/4 cup of dark. And this we will mix with our hands. Alright, next we are going to grease 2 baking trays using olive oil. And next we are going to be taking our dough and rolling it into small balls, just about this size. And then we are going to flatten them ever so slightly. And this recipe should make somewhere between 24 and 36 cookies, depending on the size of cookie you choose to make. And now, of course, we add the signature peanut butter fork print. And now we just pop them in the oven for approximately 10 minutes. And there you have it. Delicious peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. And just like that, we have these scrumptious, delightful, and healthy chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. Scrumptious. Alright, well, I guess that's it for today's episode of Perdita Strange. She certainly is. And if you like the video, make sure to like, comment if you're going to make the cookies yourself. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.